Every day, countless bird enthusiasts perform a simple act. They fill a feeder with seeds and hang it in their yards. It seems innocent, a simple kindness to our feathered friends. But this act creates an experience far richer than we realize. Look closer. What seems like a charming scene is actually a thrilling battlefield. Each bird flitting around is not just enjoying a meal, it's engaging in a complex social drama. Within this small space, a hidden pecking order governs the action. Today, we will decode this invisible hierarchy and reveal the secret lives of wild birds. To understand this drama, we must first meet the players at the feeder. First, the house finch, known for noisy groups and relentless competition. They constantly jostle for position, using their strong bills to crack seeds directly at the feeder. Next, the clever black-capped chickadee. Always in a hurry, they dart in to grab a single seed. Rarely do they eat at the feeder, preferring to retreat to safety first. Their quick strategies showcase that sometimes brains triumph over brawn. Then there's the solitary downy woodpecker. Small yet fierce, they claim their space and defend it vigorously. While not social, their stubbornness helps them survive. Finally, the imposing blue jay. Large and intelligent, they dominate the feeder like an enforcer. Their presence alone shifts the entire dynamic, pushing smaller birds aside. Each of these feathered friends plays a crucial role in this everyday theater. Now, how does this chaos make sense? It's governed by an invisible set of rules known as the pecking order. This hierarchy determines who eats first, which can be crucial for survival during winter. The pecking order is a brilliant system. It prevents constant fighting by allowing birds to communicate their rank through body size and specific signals. Bigger birds often dominate, pushing off their smaller counterparts with ease. But size isn't the only factor. Communication matters too. Dominant birds display threat behaviors, such as fluffing feathers and raising crests to look larger. They send clear messages to subordinates. I'm in charge, back off. In response, smaller, lower-ranking birds infer and react. They minimize their appearance to de-escalate tensions. This delicate dance repeats throughout the day, energy carefully spent to avoid pointless battles. Birds adapt and evolve clever strategies to survive. Even the smallest birds, at the bottom of the pecking order, devise tactics to thrive. For instance, chickadees forage with a unique approach. They stay close, but often don't crowd around the feeder. The timing of their visits also plays a role. Dominant birds can afford downtime during predator activity, while subordinates face more risk during these times. The activity peaks at dawn, midday, and late afternoon, as birds seek to gather energy before darkness sets in. Even how birds consume food signifies strategy. Cardinals linger at feeders, while chickadees swiftly retreat to crack seeds in safety. Blue jays store food for later consumption, showcasing their intelligence and resourcefulness. As you observe these interactions, you'll see a society governed by unwritten laws. Dominant birds, like the blue jay, maintain food control, while other species navigate their way around the hierarchy. However, surprises exist in this drama. The tiny Carolina wren, bold and audacious, often challenges larger birds. Its unpredictable nature shows that size doesn't always determine the outcome in the bird world. Each bird at your feeder is constantly calculating risks. Is the energy from a seed worth the danger of a larger bird nearby? This ongoing struggle unfolds in your yard, revealing a vibrant, intricate ecosystem. Next time you gaze at your feeder, recognize the complexity at play. Each bird represents a unique story of survival. Look for the dominant titmouse perched confidently or the nervous junco readying for its turn. Now you possess insight into their secret world. You can interpret their communication signals and witness their survival strategies. This drama isn't just captured in documentaries, it's happening just beyond your window. So don't just observe, participate. What's the pecking order in your yard? Position your feeder 5 to 10 feet from shelter to encourage more bird activity. This will enhance your birdwatching experience while allowing you to delve deeper into their hidden lives.